Creating a vision is not about predicting the future. It's about declaring what you are willing to strive for, even when the path is unclear. It's about setting your internal compass toward a life that reflects your truth, not the expectations of others. Vision is the invisible blueprint of your destiny. It's what fuels the fire in your soul, keeps you moving when things seem impossible, and reminds you that your life has a unique purpose that no one else can fulfill. Without vision, you merely survive, but with it, you thrive. To create a vision is to make a promise to yourself to honor your potential, to trust your inner voice, and to shape your life into something extraordinary, not through chance, but through conscious, consistent intention. Every remarkable journey begins with a vision and image that lives in your heart long before it becomes reality. That image is your permission to hope, your guide when you're lost, and your reason to rise again after every fall. When you create a vision, you stop drifting and start directing your life. You shift from reacting to circumstances to creating them. You become the artist of your destiny, not a bystander waiting for life to paint your picture. Vision is not found, it is forged. It's born in the quiet places of reflection, strengthened in adversity, and clarified through action. Creating a vision means being bold enough to say, "This is the life I will create," even when the world around you tells you to settle. Creating a vision doesn't require that you know every step ahead. It only asks that you know why you're moving forward and what you hope to create. With that clarity, even the most uncertain road becomes meaningful.